Welcome back to our video production series. Today, we'll learn how to create a video from scratch with FlexClip. On the front page, click Start Now and enter the editing page. Or log in with an account. On the home page, click Create a Video, select a ratio, and enter the editing page. You can click to upload local files to create a video directly. Click Videos, use keywords to find suitable stock videos, and add them to the timeline. Add some images with the same method. Click Text, browse the pre-made text samples, and select suitable texts. Double-click to type new words and customize the details. Use proper elements and effects to modify this video. Open the audio section, and you can select suitable audio and sound effects freely. Click the transition button between two scenes and add suitable transition effects. Use some AI tools to help you if needed. When you're done, click the export button and download this video. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more video production tips in our series.